The world's screaming, but you hear the silence beneath it. The crowd's chasing shadows, but you see the strings pulling them. You're not here for applause or validation. You're here because something inside you refuses to play along with the circus. That's the Sigma spark, and it's why you're watching this. Welcome to Sigma Male Community, the unfiltered haven for men who carve their own path through a world obsessed with noise and conformity. Today we're diving into 11 reasons why Sigma males have given up on humanity, not out of despair but out of a razor-sharp clarity that cuts through the illusions most cling to. This isn't about bitterness, it's about seeing the game for what it is and choosing to walk away. Stoicism runs through every word here. Self-mastery, resilience, and rational truth guide us as we dissect why the world's lost its grip on men like you. Stay locked in because this journey will hit you like a blade to the soul, exposing the raw reality most are too weak to face. 1. The currency of conviction has crashed. Morality's been gutted, traded like cheap stock on a rigged market. Sigma males watch as virtue gets hijacked, reduced to trending hashtags and weaponized for clout. Activists hide behind anonymous accounts, bullying in the name of justice, while corporations roll out empathy campaigns that reek of profit motives. Personal integrity? It's burned at the altar of likes, where the loudest sinner buys the brightest halo. Sigmas see through this performative piety, this spiritual bankruptcy where ethical action, quiet, unrewarded, inconvenient, is extinct. The Stoic lens sharpens this view. True virtue doesn't need a stage. It's the man who does right when no one's watching, who pays the price of principle without posting it. Sigmas know this, but the world's too busy applauding frauds to notice. Every viral hero caught in a scandal, every influencer preaching values they don't live, chips away at the trust Sigmas might have once had. The economy of conviction is a scam, and they refuse to invest. This isn't cynicism, it's clarity. Sigmas don't mourn the death of morality, they adapt, forging their own unshakable code. They've seen the mob trade souls for retweets and they're done bankrolling that fraud. The world can keep its hollow halos. Sigmas walk away carrying a compass no algorithm can corrupt. That's the first cut. When the currency of conviction crashes, Sigmas don't scramble to salvage it. They build their own wealth, grounded in a truth that doesn't bend to applause. Stay with me, the next reason hits even harder. 2. The illusion factory is running overtime. Reality's gone AWOL, replaced by a 24/7 illusion factory. Sigma males see lives edited into perfection. Face-tuned faces hiding chaos, curated feeds selling stability that doesn't exist, breakdowns spun into hashtag growth journeys for likes. Authentic struggle? Imperfection? Unfiltered existence? They're banished, replaced by avatars trading dopamine hits in a digital void. Connection's a transaction now, not a bond, and the world's addicted to the lie. Stoicism demands we face reality head-on, no filters, no excuses. Sigmas live this, embracing the messy, beautiful chaos of being human. But the world's too busy staging its own fiction, retreating from truth into aesthetically pleasing lies. Every polished post, every scripted vulnerability reel, is a brick in the wall separating people from what's real. Sigmas see the cost. A generation so lost in simulation they've forgotten how to feel the weight of their own existence. This isn't just a trend, it's a collective surrender. Sigmas could play along, post the right angles, caption their pain for clout, but that's a betrayal of the self. They choose solitude over renting space in this lie, valuing the brutal honesty of unedited existence. The world can keep its highlight reels. Sigmas walk the raw, unscripted path, even if it's lonely. That's the second reason. The illusion factory's working overtime, but Sigmas clocked out long ago. They're not running from reality, they're the only ones still living in it. Let's keep cutting deeper. 3. The loyalty litmus test reveals vacuum. Loyalty's a ghost, vanishing when the heat's on. Sigma males notice how commitments crumble, not in epic betrayals but in the small gut-punch moments. The silence when you need a voice, the "I'm busy" excuse masking cowardice, the ghosting dressed up as distance. Bonds aren't covenants anymore. They're contracts of convenience, voided when the cost outweighs the vibe. The bro, who's all in until sacrifice is required? He's a stranger now. Stoicism teaches us to value what we control, our own loyalty, not others. Sigmas embody this, auditing relationships with cold precision. They don't beg for depth in shallow waters. They close accounts when loyalty bounces. It's not anger, It's efficiency. Why invest in people who treat bonds like disposable apps? The world's taught them most connections are fair weather, and they've learned the lesson well. This vacuum isn't personal, it's systemic. Sigma see a culture allergic to sacrifice, where ride or die is just a caption, not a creed. They could lower their standards, play the game of fake brotherhood, but that's beneath them. Instead, they walk alone, forging bonds only with those who prove their weight in fire. That's reason 3. When loyalty's a vacuum, Sigmas don't fill it with noise, they step back, guarding their trust like a fortress. The next reason's even sharper, so stay locked in. 4. The growth paradox. Addicted to stagnation. Here's a brutal truth. Most people choose their chains. Sigma males see potential drowned in excuses, blaming exes, childhood, the system, anything to dodge the mirror. Comfort's not just a preference, it's a drug, and stagnation's the high. Toxic cycles spin like broken records, misery's a worn-out coat, and offers of wisdom get slapped away with, "let me live," defenses. The world's hooked on staying stuck. Stoicism's antidote is relentless self-improvement, facing the mirror no matter how ugly the reflection. Sigmas live this, climbing their own mountains while others hug their anchors. They've tried tossing lifelines, only to watch them sink under the weight of willful denial. It's not arrogance, it's exhaustion. You can't save someone who loves their cage. This paradox is everywhere. People pray for change but worship routine. Sigmas see friends, family, strangers, all clinging to the familiar hell they know. They could keep shouting into that void, but energy's finite, and they'd rather spend it on their own ascent. The world can stay addicted. Sigmas choose evolution even if it's a solo climb. That's the 4th cut. When growth's a paradox and stagnation's king, Sigmas stop preaching and start walking. The next reason's a gut check, so don't look away. 5. The algorithm offers more integrity. Humanity's a minefield, shifting allegiances, emotional traps, smiles hiding knives. Sigma males find strange solace in code. AI doesn't ghost after years, lie with a grin, or whisper support while planning exits. Its logic is cold but honest, its output predictable, not performative. In a world drowning in manipulation, binary's clarity is a lifeline. Stoicism values truth over comfort, and Sigmas lean into this. They're not in love with machines, they're just tired of decoding human duplicity. Every fake tear, every calculated slight, adds to the cognitive load of navigating people. When humans are less reliable than algorithms, detachment isn't cold, it's survival. The world's taught them to trust patterns, not promises. This isn't about worshipping tech, it's about recognizing a grim reality. Sigmas see a society where emotional games outnumber honest words. They could play along, armor up, keep score, but that's a losing game. Instead, they retreat to a space where truth doesn't wear a mask, even if it's ones and zeros. That's reason 5. When algorithms outshine human integrity, Sigmas choose the clarity of code over the chaos of caprice. We're halfway through, stay sharp for what's next. 6. The stagecraft of leadership is flawless. Leadership's a Broadway show and the world's eating it up. Sigma males see the script. Politicians cry on cue before selling out, CEOs preach family before mass layoffs, holy men hide scandals behind sermons. It's not the corruption, it's the Oscar-worthy stagecraft. Tailored suits, focus group speeches, calculated optics. It's a masterclass in fooling the masses who clap for their own exploitation. Stoicism demands we lead ourselves first, with integrity no spotlight can fake. Sigmas do this, becoming their own sovereign nation. They're disgusted not by the betrayal, but by the artistry that makes it invisible. Every viral visionary exposed, every hero unmasked, reinforces their resolve to trust no one's script but their own. The world's a stage and they're not in the audience. This performance isn't new, but its polish is lethal. Sigmas see followers hypnotized by charisma, not character, cheering leaders who'd sell them for a headline. They could join the applause, play the loyal subject, but that's a coward's role. Instead, they exit the theater, building a life where authority comes from within. That's the 6th reason. When leadership's pure stagecraft, Sigmas reject the show and write their own story. The next one's raw, so keep your eyes open. Let's pause the feed. You, right now, watching this on Sigma Male Community. You didn't stumble here by accident. That pull you feel? It's your instinct screaming the world's a rigged game and you're done playing. Maybe you're already a Sigma, carving your path, or maybe you're just waking to the static. Either way, you see the puppet strings. That unease isn't weakness, it's your integrity refusing the sedative. This isn't about being better than anyone, it's about carrying the weight of truth while the crowd dances in denial. Hold that fire. What's next isn't defeat, it's liberation. Back to the dissection. 7. The authenticity double bind is a trap. Be real, they say, then flinch when you are. Sigma males deliver unfiltered truth, sharp, precise, no sugar, and get labeled too much, negative, or cold. Wrap the same insight in flattery and smiles and it's a hit. People don't want authenticity, they want it served as a feel-good dessert, not the bitter medicine it often is. The problem's not the message, it's the world's fragile stomach. Stoicism teaches us to speak truth regardless of applause, and Sigmas live this. They've seen their clarity spark defensiveness, their honesty trigger tantrums. It's not rejection, it's a trap. Society craves validation, not challenge, and authenticity's raw edge cuts too deep. Sigmas learn fast, their voice isn't welcome in echo chambers. This double bind is suffocating. Every "just be yourself" platitude comes with a rulebook of niceness no one admits to. Sigmas could play the game, soften their edges, but that's betrayal. Instead, they save their truth for those who can handle it, letting the rest choke on their own syrupy lies. That's reason 7. When authenticity's a trap, Sigmas stop performing and start preserving their clarity. The next one's a wake-up call, don't blink. 8. The volume over valor marketplace. The marketplace of ideas is a screaming match. Wisdom's drowned, nuance is static, intelligence dies in the loudest noise. Sigma males watch shallow takes shouted with swagger trump deep thought. Viral outrage buries reason, and charisma sells while insight starves. Profound truths wither in boardrooms while empty hype packs stadiums. Stoicism values clarity over chaos, and Sigmas hold this line. They could crank the volume, churn out hot takes, sell their soul for clout, but the crown's fake, the kingdom's sand. They see a world addicted to noise where the loudest bidder wins. Their truth doesn't need a megaphone. It thrives in silence where only the sharpest minds dare to listen. This isn't just a trend, it's a slaughter. Every ignored insight, every hollow influencer crowned, proves the market's rigged. Sigmas refuse to lower their frequency to match the roar. They walk away knowing their ideas will outlast the static, even if no one hears them in the chaos. That's the 8th cut. When volume trumps valor, Sigmas choose silence over selling out. The next reason's brutal, stay with me. 9. Independent thought is the ultimate heresy. Questioning's not debate, it's exile. Sigma males dare to challenge the narrative, and the mob screams toxic, difficult, dangerous. A reasoned stance, no matter how calm, triggers dogma. Groupthink's the new god, enforced by digital pitchforks and social crucifixion. Conformity's not just demanded, it's worshipped. Stoicism's razor here is clear, truth over tribe. Sigmas dissect, challenge, seek reality, not approval. They've paid the price, labeled outsider, shunned for thinking too hard. It's not defiance, it's necessity. Their mind's a blade and the world wants it sheathed. They'd rather be alone than imprisoned in consensus. This heresy's everywhere. Community means compliance, not connection. Sigmas see the cost. Friends lost, doors slammed, whispers turned to knives. They could kneel, parrot the script, but that's death. Freedom of thought's worth more than fake belonging, and they choose it no matter the scars. That's reason 9. When independent thought is heresy, Sigmas embrace exile over chains. The next one's a mirror, look closely. 10. The apology industrial complex. I'm sorry isn't remorse, it's a press release. Sigma males see through the script. PR tears, Instagram confessions, carefully worded growth posts. It's damage control, not accountability. Society eats it up, forgiving if the performance pops off. Real change, quiet, consistent, unseen? Obsolete. Guilt's just content now. Stoicism demands action, not theatrics, and Sigmas judge accordingly. They've watched sorry become a currency, traded for absolution without reform. Every fake tear, every recycled apology, erodes their patience for the charade. They value results, not tears, show change or get cut. This complex is a machine churning out forgiveness for sale. Sigmas see the audience, desperate to believe the act, not the actor. They could play along, clap for the show, but that's beneath them. They walk away demanding integrity over Instagram. That's the 10th reason. When apologies are industry, Sigmas delete the drama. The final one's a revelation, don't miss it. 11. Quiet confidence reads as hostility. Here's the ultimate irony. Calm is a threat. Sigma males rooted in self-assurance don't perform eagerness, flatter for clout, or laugh on cue. Their quiet confidence, unfiltered, validation-free, disrupts the social script. Insecure minds misread it. Stillness as contempt, self-control as arrogance, independence as ice. Stoicism's core is inner strength and Sigmas radiate it. But the world's wired for theatrics, not depth. Their presence, a mirror, sparks projection. They've seen their calm spark panic, their silence trigger tantrums. It's not their flaw, it's the world's fragility. They stop explaining, let the insecure flinch. This misreading's systemic. Society craves emotional noise and Sigmas refuse the script. They could play nice, fake the smile, but that's a lie. Their existence, unperformed and free, is rebellion in a hysterical world. They lean into it, knowing calm's the ultimate defiance. That's the 11th reason. When confidence is hostility, Sigmas double down on their truth. That's the final cut. Now let's wrap this up. This isn't surrender, it's strategic withdrawal. Sigma males haven't lost faith in humanity's potential. They've lost tolerance for its celebrated decay. You've just walked through 11 reasons why, and if you're still here, that fire in your chest isn't random. It's your soul recognizing truth in a world drowning in static. Sigma male community exists for men like you, independent, relentless, committed to excellence and stoic clarity. Don't just sit with this, act on it. Reflect on what's worth your energy, cut what isn't, and keep forging your path. If this hit you hard, smash that like button, drop a comment to join the tribe, and share this video with a brother who needs to hear it. If you're subscribed, turn on notifications. You don't want to miss the next dissection. Stay sharp, stay free, and keep walking the Sigma path. Until next time, this is Sigma Male Community signing off.